How to make liked posts private on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy, which is the second option. Then simply scroll down and you will find liked videos. Click on liked videos. And if it's in everyone, make sure the dot is in only you. After you do that, all the liked posts will be private on TikTok. And this is how to make liked post private on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.